Okay, so for this example, what we're going to do is I'm going to read the clues and I'm going to move the X's and the check marks from the left side onto the grid. And I would like you to go ahead and do this with me as we go so that you can see where each of them go and you can work it along and we can practice together. So clue number one, the adult didn't like TV or comedies. So I'm going to take an X where the adult is. I'll put the X on the TV, he didn't like TV, and I'll put an X where it says comedies because the adult also did not like comedies. So now we have two X's there. Clue number two, the teen loved action stories. Okay, so this time we're going to use a check mark because they like the action stories. So the teen over here, I'm going to drag it over to the action column and drop it there. Now, because only one person can like action stories, that means the kid does not like action stories, and the adult does not like action stories either. The teen can also only like one type of story, which means the teen does not like drama, and the teen also does not like comedy. Now, once you do get a check mark in there, again, make sure you're putting X's to the left and right and up and down to eliminate all the other ones as well. Now, what we see here is we have a missing blank here for the adult. The only one that the adult could like is drama, because that's the only one that we haven't X'd out for him. So we'll take the check mark, drag it over for the adult, and we'll put it in that missing place there for the adult, because that's the only thing the adult can like. Which also means we need to put an X above the check mark, because the adult and the kid is also not going to like drama. The kid cannot like drama. But now that leaves us a blank here for the kid. So the kid is going to have to like comedies, because that's the only one left available for the kid. Now there's no more places to put X's, so that whole grid on the right side is filled up. So we're good there. And let's go to clue number three. The person that liked comedies didn't like to read either. All right, so we know the kid likes comedies. And so the kid then will not like to read. So we're going to put an X underneath books, because the kid will not like to read because he does like comedies. And then we go to the last clue. The kid liked the experience of going to movies. Okay, so the kid will go to the movies so he can eat popcorn. So we'll put a check mark there for the movies, which means we can also put an X if the kid does not like TV. And then going down, we can also put X's for the teen and the adult because they're not going to go to the movies. Now that leaves us with a blank here underneath TV. There's only one person that can like TV, which is the teen. So we'll drag the check mark over to the teen and TV, which means the teen will not read books. So that means that the adult is going to have to read the books because that is the only one left. So we fill in that last blank with the check mark because that's the only thing the adult can do. And we have just completed this logic problem. Again, the key is make sure that you are eliminating things going left, right, up, and down after you put a check mark. And then check for any open blanks where you can put a check mark to fill in. Hope that was fun.